Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Rakshabandhan to you all. If you are new here, I'm Shruti and I create content on fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's talk all about this look. So Rakshabandhan is next week and I thought let's get ready for Rakshabandhan. Let's see what I'm planning to wear so that I can shoot and upload it in time for you guys so that you can recreate the look. You can have some ideas and some options, and this is my one of the look. In this video I'll be trying to let's get ready for this look. Before moving forward to my makeup, let's first talk about the outfit. I have these two outfits. This is one from House of Chikankari, white chikankari kurti, which I got for Holi, but unfortunately I couldn't wear it. So this is one outfit that I can wear, I can style. And the other one is short kurti sharara set from Myntra. This is again a very nice mustard color. My mother-in-law gifted this to me and I really liked it. So this is the second one that I can style. Moving on to the makeup, I have already done with my skincare. You can see I'm looking like a glazing donut, right? You can ऐसा लग रहा है मैंने मक्खन लगा रखे हैं चेहरे पे. So I have done with my skincare routine. I have already shooted it. It might be already up and I'll link it in the description box below for you to check it out. Moving on to the makeup. So I have a bit of open pores problem over here. So I'll just go ahead and apply a primer. This is from Smashbox. It almost finished. It was so good. So Smashbox primers are really nice. You do not need a lot of primer. So apply it here. मैं ज़्यादा products हाथ से ही लगाना prefer करती हूँ because हाथ की गर्मी से it just melt in a really nicer way. The next thing that I'll do is I'll conceal all these places. I'm using this Clinique concealer. It's really good and I really like it. I just like to use a bit. Using a wet beauty sponge, let's mix it all. Once you have done a really nice skincare, then your makeup literally glides very smoothly. So can you see how perfectly it just melts down in my skin? That's because my skincare was really good. I'll also apply a bit here. And then blend it, blend it, blend it. Use this dabbing motion to blend your makeup. I'm not a makeup guru, yeah, but this is what I do and this is what works for me. And I have really done like a lot of makeups on occasions where people have actually admired that makeup is looking so good. So this is how I like to do. Now moving ahead with my favorite Bobbi Brown stick foundation. I actually cannot do without this one. This is just so good. This is in the shade Warm Natural. I'm in MAC. I'm shade NC40. So if you are anywhere close to my skin tone, this is the best. Apply wherever you need, and this is very easily blendable by your fingers. But since my beauty sponge is here, I'll like quickly do this. Do not forget to put it on your neck. I always forget to put things on my neck and then I'm like at the end doing it. This now looks quite good as a base. Let me set it quickly. So I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Medium Deep. I really swear by this this setting powder. It's so good. It helps in setting your under eyes very nicely and such a good coverage. Like even if I'm going out and I do not want to apply all the makeup and all, and then I just use this powder and I'm good, I think. For eyeshadow, I'm going with this Anastasia Beverly Hills soft glam palette. Let's quickly do our eyes. Eyeshadow, I'm using this pink one and the dark pink one. My camera battery died in between. A bit of lighter shade and dark mulberry one. Putting the pigment from the halfway. This is what I'm doing. Blend everything together so that there won't be any harsh lines. Whatever there is on the brush, I like to put it in the down of my eyes, on the lower lid, like that. Let's put a lip liner. This is the brown lip liner. I really like it. You must have seen this in my in the nude lipstick collection. Yeah, this is a bit darker, but yeah, baad mein I'll put some light or so it should be fine. Let's now quickly use an eyeliner. I really like this Lakme one. the plain Insta liner, and this is so good. Let me apply it. This is what I applied, and let me dry this one. Otherwise, ये पूरा पसर जाएगा and it will look so odd, won't look good. Till then, let's apply the mascara. I'm using the basic Maybelline Colossal Mascara. It's so good. Hands down the best mascara. I really liked it. मैंने बहुत सारे अलग mascaras try किए, but this one is the best. Make sure apply a lot of mascara if you are not wearing fake lashes. Also make sure कि आप नीचे भी थोड़ा लगा लो, so that your eyes looks a lot open. Can you see the difference? Moving ahead with my favorite blush, the Rare Beauty one. I like to use it by applying it directly. Ding 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 ding. The next step is my brows, and let's do it. So even if you're not doing any makeup, make sure you're doing your brows so that you look quite presentable. I like to really comb it a bit and assist so that it looks a bit bushy. Also, I like to use this makeup fixer. I like to use it this way, the spray something, and just dab it. Dab it, dab it, dab it. So that everything mixes and ऐसा ना लगे कि आपने बहुत ही मेकअप किया है. Let's do some lipstick. I'm using this Bobbi Brown lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. Since ये काफ़ी pink है, तो I really like to use this with a brown lip liner so that it would give you that perfect pink. That's my makeup, guys. Do I miss any step? और मुझे बाद में याद आएगा ना honestly कि अरे मैंने ये तो किया ही नहीं. So yes, this is my makeup. I think blush थोड़ा और लगा सकते. So let's do it. Recently I got my hands on this Pixie Petra blush. ये थोड़ा orange tone में है, तो I don't know इस makeup के साथ कैसा लगेगा. But let's try this one. This is on the go Pixie Petra blush. This retail for 1999 on Nykaa. काफ़ी viral है. Let's see how it looks on my skin tone. And overall with this makeup, it might not look good क्योंकि मैंने सब कुछ पिंक किया है ना, एक ऑरेंज वन, but it might look good, yeah. Oh, this is nice. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, बंदरिया लग रही हूँ क्या? This is looking so good. Yeah, can you see this pigment? This is looking so nice. Let me know in the comment section, how do you like it? I'm really liking it. It's kind of giving me a highlight as well. Can you see the shine? It's really good. Let's quickly change the dress and see how my overall look looks. So now I have changed into the outfit. First I'm trying this white one, and let's go ahead and finalize the jewelry. I have these two options for earring. One is this jhumki and another is this. Which one should I try? I think let's go with this one. For neck piece I have one this. This is looking nicer. Yes, this is how it looks. It's looking so nice. Should I do it more up? So yes, this is now looking quite good. By the way, I also have this one. So I'll just ta-da! Let's do a bindi. I really like big bindis on my face because मेरा थोड़ा चेहरा बड़ा है. Let's try this one. Oh my god, this is looking so nice, right? About hair, let's tackle this one. Open hair is also looking very nice. What do you say? Yeah, let's see the whole look. Ignore the mess, guys. So this is my whole outfit. How is it looking? I can do some curls and all, but ठीक है for now. So this is my Rakshabandhan look. Let me know in the comment section if you like it, and let's go and try the next one. The next outfit is this yellow sharara set, which my mother-in-law gifted me. Obviously, this is so good, and let's try this one. This is from Myntra. I'll link all the items in the description box below, and let's try this one and the look, that jewelry and all, and let's see. So this is my second outfit. I'll show you the whole look in a moment. Till then, let's do something with hair or maybe lipstick, earrings and everything. So yeah, let's start. Since this has this gold gota work, I can also wear this one. Let's see. This is looking nice. This is looking that boho vibe, right? Let's do something with hair as well now. Let's do a low. Let's try and do a low bun kind of thing. So my hair has lot of weight, which is really good, and I don't mind. But hair styling me. So this is my makeshift low bun. I don't know ये कैसा लग रहा है. But let's try on some jewelry. I have this green one जिसमें golden है. I can wear this, but I think ये काफ़ी नहीं है क्या? It will look too much otherwise. But let's try. Should I just wear either this or this? Yellow with green looks really good. I really like yellow, green, yellow, red combination. I have green chudi. So also sawan mein green is a thing, and since I'm married, my mom is always like green pehno, green pehno. Okay. So tak tak tak. Let's see the overall look. By the way, एक हाथ में मैंने चूड़ियाँ पहनी है. Let's see the overall look. Can you see it, guys? This is short kurti. This is sharara. This is me. Green chudiyan, green earrings, and a heavy chunky jewelry. Let me know in the comment section if you like this one or the white one more. This is the full look. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below that which look you liked. I really like this white one. I'm thinking to wear this only for Rakshabandhan. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Tell me if you like the yellow one more, and I can wear that as well. I have both the options open for Rakshabandhan. And with that, bye bye. See you again in my next video. Till then, a very, very, very happy Rakshabandhan. And if you like the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you again in the next one.